Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the updated steps to mention groups in your WhatsApp status. Whether you're sharing updates with specific groups or just want to highlight them, this feature is simple and effective. Let's dive in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app to access all the updated features. Next, navigate to the Updates tab located at the bottom of your screen. This is where you can view and create status updates. Now, tap on My Status to begin creating a new status. Here, you can add photos, videos, or text to share with your contacts. At the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll notice a mention button. It looks like an @ icon. Tap on it to start mentioning groups in your status. A search bar will appear at the top of the screen. Type the names of the groups you want to mention. As you type, WhatsApp will display matching group names from your contacts list. Select the desired groups by tapping on their names. Once you've chosen all the groups you want to mention, tap the Done button or checkmark icon to confirm your selection. And that's it. Your status is now ready to be shared with the selected groups. This feature ensures that only those specific groups will be notified about your status update. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others who might need it. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on using WhatsApp effectively.